Kadai kasin Baningkong Banakalyang Jangka Meghalaya Filmmakers Association Hakajing Snokti Bat Kasorkar Jilla Kalapalong ya ke International Film Festival Baningkong Hangni Hajala Meghalaya ya kabalas dang naduk kakat sautrik gulber arhajar arpulai bat kut haduk kakat pratrik gulber arhajar arpulai ha State Central Library. Hakas ngis dang jongkani ke International Film Festival lawan ban play do Menteri Sorkar Katanat Arts and Culture uba Paul Lingdo hakabala sakhilang degi khlur akplim bapau kari India u Adil Hussein kapuran kamun mun sen kinokshna film nakaleng kari bat najala Meghalaya bat kiwe de tingshop bat kipuran. Hakini kisan sngi NPNI hadu enrupusan teli ki film kentup langi ki documentary film.
I think more than chief guest, I'm also the villain of the piece tonight. I'm happy that we have friends from the media, the fraternity, that we all will never be able to discount, even for our own good. And I'm struck by the fact that when I listened to Commander, he didn't sound to be making any request to do government. He was only commanding. That's what we should do. But the fact of the matter is, we all know that apart from Meghalaya being the abode of clouds, it also is the abode of talent, the abode of creativity, the abode where filmmaking is in our blood. And, well, what's really good timing is the fact that a day after 2 Indian films bagged the Oscar award, and next came the International Film Festival here at Shillong, it only means that we can go beyond Oscar awards as Meghalaya. I'm particularly delighted that on the eve of today's program, yesterday I had the very good fortune through Mr. Muni Singh, who had facilitated our interaction with a group of Gen X guests from countries as diverse as Switzerland to the Middle East to Africa. And in the course of yesterday's interaction, 2 things struck me as something that very few of us would realize. One, they said they've never seen greenery so much as they do in Shillong. And 2 is, they say, even your spices and your turmeric are the best in the world. And I remember telling this friend who owned a spice industry, I remember telling him that you did spice up the evening for all of us. Friends, we're here to celebrate Meghalaya's potential, and that potential goes beyond our being able to set up state-of-the-art cinema halls. That is just a given. It should and it will be done. I think I can say your wish is my command now. We're here to elevate, we're here to energize, we're here to also enhance the stature of Meghalaya. And as a state, we once considered ourselves, part of the periphery. Today, we are no longer on the periphery. We're very much part of the consciousness of this country, whether they like it or they don't. Those who don't, we still continue. But Meghalaya has arrived, Shillong has arrived, and it will only be a matter of time before what we lit up today as small sparks will tomorrow, the rest of the world will look to Meghalaya as an inferno of talent, creativity, and huge potential. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
More than I could teach. And that is always the case probably with any teacher who loves teaching, that you learn more than you can teach. And I was sure that this initiative which had been taken today will go.
Shillong